Hi, my favorite first graders. We're going to get ready to do math together. We're doing lesson 7. You need some supplies to do the math. So I know, look, I got all my fun artwork that we've all been working on hanging in the back. But for math today, please you need your cubes, either Unifix cubes or Legos or both, because we're going to be making big teen numbers. Teen numbers meaning a 1 in the tens place and something else in the ones place. So blocks, dry erase board, eraser, and marker. Those come first. Keep your green math book close by. And I cannot wait to see. I got a new camera, so I'm hoping you're going to be able to see my math problems easier. So let me show you what it looks like. Grab all those things. Come back and get ready to write with me. Okay, so let me turn it around. You can see my office at the moment, but here it is. And then it looks a little bit blurry, so let me see if I could focus you in on it. Perfect. Okay, so first job and what we're thinking of is I'm going to give you some numbers and we're going to make them together. So the first one is going to say 8 plus 5. And in my class the other day, we kept calling this like a cookie tray. This is like our cookie tray that we're cooking on. So 8 blocks come first. They should all be one color. And mine are going to be green for Clinton Cougars. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now that is 8. Remember 8 in your brain. We're also going to add the other number is 5 to it. Okay. I want you to visualize making that group of 10 first. So here it is. 1, 2. I just made, and when I say a cookie tray, like I just made 10. And here's how I put my little rectangle around it to remember that's 10. But I was adding 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 plus 5 is the same as, so 8, write this with me, plus 5 is the same as saying 10 plus 3. It's the same as 10 plus 3. So the quick way to think about it and add it is by knowing this is 10, and I know that I'm going to write a 1. The other digit is 1, 2. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. What we're thinking about today as we do math is that we make that set of 10 and we remember, oh, that's 1 for 10. And then the ones that are outside are the ones number. That's 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now we're going to do another one. So clean off your number sentences and clean off your blocks. Keep your cookie tray or the magical make 10. And here comes another math problem for you to do with me. This time, it's going to be 7 plus 6. So let's do it this way. Make 7, 1 color of it, 2, sorry, it's crooked, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you could label 7 down here. And I said plus 6, plus 6. Use a different color, and we're going to keep on going. So watch this. I'm going to make that 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. I use 3. Don't forget I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, a little Penelope hair there too. Sorry about that. Okay, we have 10, right? That's our magic 10 one. So 10 plus, what's outside of it? 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3 equals what? And 7 plus 6 equals what? Is the same thing. They are equal. The quick way to count it is to know that when I look at my cookie tray or my rectangle, that's always going to be 10. And I know that when I look over here, that's the number that goes next to it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10 plus 3 is 13, and 7 plus 6 is 13. Nice job. All right, I would like you to clean off your boards and get ready to do your green math book with me. In your green math book, and I'm cleaning right now as I do that, find page 25. 25 has a 2 in front and a 5 behind it. So it is a 2 and a 5. If you're not sure what that looks like, let me show you real quick so you know what page to look for. A 2 and a 5. Go in your green math book to page 25. Remember, your first grade teachers want to see how smart you are, so you might want to write these with us. So here it is. Here's page 25. You're looking at tennis balls now. So you should have lots and lots of tennis balls. Hopefully, you're writing down the date, which is now going to say 11 dash. It's the 10th today. And I'm recording so many, so I have to check my calendar because it's not actually the 10th in real life here while I'm recording. Don't forget your name. So here we go on writing all of our jobs. Are you ready? John has 8 tennis balls. And you know that I love to circle my numbers as I go through. And if you can't see, let me bring that in a little bit closer so it's better. And is that better for all of you to see it really close? And I'll switch over so I can using pen. John has 8 tennis balls and Tony has 5. How many tennis balls do they have in all? I always like to underline my question so I know what I'm looking for. So I have that 8 and I have that 5. So we know that 8 and how many are over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 and 5 make something. And now we're going to figure out 10. So here's where when you figure out 10, you have to use these 8. So we're making a big circle again. We're going to make 8. And we're going to borrow some from here so we make a total of 10. 9, 10. So I'm going to use 2 of those. Thank you. And I think in my brain, that's 10. I like to label it so I remember. So really it's 10 plus 1, 2. Yeah, 3. 3 are outside. So 10 plus 3 is the same as 8 plus 5. Let's figure it out. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 makes 13. 10 plus 3 makes 13. And they have 13 balls all together. You did great. Okay, now we're going to read about raisins. And we get to make raisins. Bob has 8 raisins. Jenny has 4 raisins. How many raisins do they have all together? Okay, make 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I always like to label 8 so I know what I was drawing. Then do Jenny's job. She had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Label 4. Okay. So we had 8 and we had what? Yeah, 4. So 8 and 4 make something. 10 and something makes something. We're going to use these 8 and take some from here to make a total of 10. So here we go. Go around the 8. And we're going to keep on counting. 9, 10. We need to use 2, please. Thank you. And I label it 10 to remind myself I'm counting on from 10. So I have 10, 1, 2. 10 and 2 make something, and 8 and 4 make something, and it's the same answer. 10, 11. Yeah, it's 12. So write a 1 and a 2. A 1 and a 2 make 12. What does it make? 12. Great. Now, oh, look, Penelope wants to do it with us. Turn over and find page 26. Okay, here we go. Let me make sure. You're looking at number 3 now, okay? There are 3 chairs on the right side of the classroom and 8 on the left side. How many, and I circled and underlined, total chairs are there in the classroom? Start with this number first. 1, 2, 3, label 3. Now we're going to draw 8. Go ahead and make 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Label that 8. What was the other number besides 8? Yep, you got it. It's 3. So put your 3 in. Now you need to make a group of 10 before you go on. So we're going to use those 8 and borrow some. So let's do it. Circle that 8. Come over and count on. 9, 10. Thank you. Now we made 10. What number did we not write? 1. So 10 and 1 make something, and 8 and 3 make something. Let's find out. 10, 11. They both make 11. A 1 and a 1. A 1 and a 1. A 1 and a 1 make 11. 1 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place. Super job. Okay, last one, and then you're going to do your homework part by yourself. There are 7 children sitting on the rug. 8 children are standing. How many children are there in all? So quickly draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel free at any time to push pause if I'm going too fast for you. There's 8. Draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Label 8. 8. 8 and what? 8 and what? Yeah. 8 and 7. 8 and 7 make what? We could count them all, but we're learning to count quickly by making groups of 10, so we're actually not going to do it that way. We're going to take this big number, 8, and we're going to borrow some from over here, 9, 10. Now we have 10. 10 plus something. Let's find out what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5 and 8 plus 7 make the same thing. Do you remember my trick earlier? I took the 1. And then I counted the outside, which was the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 make 15. 8 and 7 make 15. They all make 15. Super. Okay. You now have the homework job. That's page 27 down here. You're going to do the same thing all by yourself, drawing pictures and answering those number sentences. Thanks for working with me today. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye.